This is the opening poem in das Weiße Haus. Actually, the opening poem here is of course dedicated to my mother. And this is Velvel. He's going to the sanitarium, and this is the trip in the train that he's taking to the Laurentians, to the sanitarium. And so in Waggon. Der draußen frostig weit, die Bahn läuft zwischen Berg mit spiegeldicke blachen Eis. Outdoors frosty white, the train races in the hills with its glistening metallic ice. In schweren Palten, fahrem Weg, sitzt Velvel, vertummelt mit sein ganzer dünner Heuch. An Ausgezarte sitzt bei die Scheiben, a verklärte. In heavy coats, soft and warm, Velvel, all huddled in his tall, emaciated form, sits by a window, pensive, heartsore, apprehensive. Seine Augen in tief, treurigen Bräun steinen zum heuchen Berg mit der eisige, silberne Kräun. His eyes, a deeply solemn brown, marvel at the mountain with its icy silver crown. Velvel tracht, de Bahnöfen, alten Schliach, entläuft von sein Gebein mit die stottische Mark, sie wird ihm überlassen, da geht's ein allein, zwischen die Berg von Eisenstein. Velvel thinks this train on lonely tracks, carrying his bag of bones away from bustling city marts, will leave him here somewhere out here all alone, among the hills of ice and stone. Voll mit Red und Räuch ist der Waggon. Schmeckt der Räuch von frische Begelach mit Mohn. Farme Kinder, wo sitzen und keien, reißen einer an dem zweiten und schreien. Car is full of speech and smoke, the smell of bagels, poppy seeds and buns. Farmer children sit and munch, shouting, teasing, all in fun. In clean and unpatched coats and shoes, each child from an orange fragrant fresh sips the tangy bracing juice. Velvel thoughts go soaring home to his childhood town where hunger gnawed to the tender fledgling bones. Velvel sees himself again in a tailor workshop where they sang of a tomorrow rife with rich and sated tables, and the shtetl hunger clamped he longed for cities far and fabled. From Canada, from his cousin, he received this note. Dear Velvel, I'm sending papers, money for the train and boat. I'm all alone, the landsmen never come to visit. All they ever do is eat, and they never fill their hungry teeth. The city here is big and lovely. Some days you can go to a movie. You have a mountain standing in the very middle of town, summertime. Vacationers come from miles around. All year long we eat fresh vegetables and fruits from orchard and from field. One thing though, the winters here are very cold, but unlike the shtetl back in Poland, here they don't begrudge the iron stove, its bucket full of shiny coal. You won't be the only one coming from the shop at night on aching feet, but I'm sure you'll put some meat upon your skinny bones. There's always plenty to eat here, warmest greetings then from me, and from my husband, Elke Greenspan, your favorite cousin. With a heart felt full of prayers, Velvel rides through foreign lands and busy city thoroughfares. And now he's at the Singer machine, and through the window, there in the mountain and the city can be plainly seen. His limbs by weariness are smitten, his heart spills over, countless poems still unwritten,